VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. This one here, I'll let you talk about this one a little bit because you wanted to add this one.
I did add this one. So basically, I'll post the link here. It's a quick extension called Lorem Ipsum. So a lot of times you need to dummy up some text and just to generate some just garbage to fill out some things in the page. There's this cool little extension called Lorem Ipsum. Just do the ctrl+shift+p to type Lorem Ipsum, and then you'll be able to select, do I need a line, a paragraph, multiple paragraphs, just a nice way to just stub out some stuff.
Yep. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, I remember when Lorem Ipsum was big and some other tools had plugins for it, and like Bacon Ipsum was a big one, and there was a whole bunch of variations of it. It was pretty funny.
Yeah, I mean, with stuff like this, there are lots of ways to do it, but it's just kind of handy sometimes. You find a quick little utility. Hey, this just solves a problem, does one thing, does it well, and I can move on to something else.
Yep. So you can get that on the marketplace with VS Code. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.